welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very juicy chuck roast in the oven. I am going to prepare myself an amazing tacos. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are the seasonings for my chuck roast. Let me tell you, these tacos are going to come out perfect and delicious. And here I want to show you, I have the seasoning for the meat. Of course, you could use any kind of seasoning for meat that you have at home. And I am going to use 1 tablespoon of each spice. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Let me tell you, all these ingredients are going to be dry ingredients that I'm going to add directly into the chuck roast. But this is going to come out so delicious. The chuck roast will be so tender, pull apart, soft, moist, and of course your tacos are going to be amazing. Once you have all the dry ingredients ready, let's go and let's start getting the dish for the oven. Preheat your oven 350 Fahrenheit. Add a little bit of vegetable oil on the bottom. Cover the whole bottom so that chuck roast doesn't stick to it. And now we're going to add our chuck roast pieces. Let me tell you, this meat is going to be so tender. Pull apart with your fork. It's just going to be amazing and no need to babysit. I'm going to be very generous, covering the whole chuck roast with the seasonings, rubbing them down, cover both sides, and then put them in the oven. Leave them in the oven for about 3 hours. There's no need to babysit. Put them in there, 350 Fahrenheit. When you take them out, if the meat is still not pull apart tender, put it for another hour. But let me tell you, these tacos are going to come out amazing and delicious. And it's a dry seasoning that we added throughout the chuck roast. Look at this. It's okay. You don't need to add any liquid at all. It's going to cook in its own juices. You don't have to add anything at all. You're going to cook it 350 Fahrenheit for about 3 hours. Like I said, if it's not fork tender, leave it 1 more hour. I have the cabbage here, and you already have that amazing recipe. Red cabbage, red onion, salt, black pepper, a little bit of chili, and lemon juice. Look how delicious this looks. There's no need to add anything fancy to these amazing tacos. Of course, tortillas, and when we take out, the chuck roast is gonna be so tender. Get a fork, poke it. If the fork goes in nice and easy, soft like this, your chuck roast is ready. Leave the juices there. We're going to pull it apart and it's going to soak in all those amazing flavors. It cooked in its own juices and its own fat. So here I'm just going to pull apart, shredding everything really good with 2 forks. And when this is done, I'm going to show you how it absorbed all that amazing juices that it has. Look at this. If it has too much oil, just take it out. But let me tell you, these tacos come out so delicious. The meat, tender, moist, with a very smoky flavor. And here I pulled it apart, and now I'm ready to prepare my amazing tacos. It doesn't have to be Tuesday to enjoy Taco Tuesday. It could be any day of the week. And be generous. Add your meat, Add your cabbage, and you are ready to enjoy these chuck roast tacos made at home with lots of love. Like I always say, when you cook at home, you know exactly what ingredients you are adding, and you know what your family loves to eat. So now I am ready to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. Like, subscribe, and share. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing chuck roast beef in the oven, juicy, soft, moist. And of course, I had to prepare myself some delicious tacos. The cabbage, you already have it on my channel, step by step. How to make this amazing cabbage. Well, now, this is the best part, tasting my amazing tacos. Excuse me. Mmm, mmm, oh my God. Amazing. Everything tastes better when you make it at home. If you liked and love this amazing chopped roast tacos, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing chuck roast tacos made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye bye.